In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a growth report in Salesforce Lightning in just 5 minutes. Understanding how to generate effective growth reports can really make a difference in analyzing your business trends and sales performance. So, without further ado, let's dive into this step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the correct permissions to create reports, otherwise you might need to reach out to your Salesforce admin for access. Once you're logged in, head straight to the App Launcher, which is your gateway to various Salesforce functionalities. You'll find the App Launcher on the upper left side of your screen, represented by a grid of 9 dots. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Reports, which will bring up the Reports section of Salesforce Lightning. Click on this to proceed. Now that you're in the Reports section, you'll want to create a new report. Look for the New Report button, typically located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this button will start you off on your report creation journey by taking you to the Choose Report Type interface. Here, it's crucial to select the right report type depending on the data you wish to analyze. For a growth report, you might be interested in selecting the Opportunities report type, as it can provide insights into potential and closed sales. Selecting the correct type of report is essential because it defines what data fields are available for you to include, so give this step some thought. With the report type selected, the next task is to add filters. Filters help you narrow down your data for better analysis. Common filters for a growth report might include parameters like close date and stage. Choose a close date filter to specify the time frame you're interested in, such as the last quarter or the current year. The stage filter allows you to focus on opportunities at specific stages, like prospecting or close won. So make these selections based on what aligns best with your goals. After applying the necessary filters, it's time to decide on what fields to include in your report. Fields like amount or revenue are particularly useful for assessing growth metrics. You can choose fields by simply clicking the Add Filter option and typing the field names in the search bar that appears. This part of the setup helps you customize your report to reflect the most critical aspects of your growth strategy. Once your filters and fields are all set, it's time to see your report in action. Click the Run button, usually located in the upper right corner. This will execute your report and present the data in an easy-to-read format, allowing you to analyze the key insights. Finally, take a moment to save your creation. Click on Save and give your report a memorable title, something that highlights its purpose for easy access later. Don't forget to share it with your team to ensure everyone has access. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a growth report in Salesforce Lightning. With these steps, you'll be able to monitor your business growth effectively and make informed decisions that drive success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting.